Feelers, you never know what true love is until you've tasted Soler cookies. Promise. Hindi ito bayad ng Soler, pero pumunta kayo ng Soler. Bumili kayo ng cookies. Yun lang po. Welcome to episode 118.
Dahil Feelings Explained to, ang pinaka-worth it na kayang gawin ng mga listeners natin today is to rate our show. Please give us 5 stars on Spotify or Apple Podcast. And also, please follow our social media platforms. We are Feelings Explained the podcast on everywhere.
Let's get on with the program. Gian, what is your small win or shit of the week?
Ito na naman ako. Hindi ko na naman alam yung entry. I have a win. Finally, a win! Oh my God. After years of all the shittiness. Wow. May win ako at kailangan kong i-gatekeep yung bagong restaurant na na-discover ko, which I already have been passing by this restaurant because it's quite near me, but I will never say the word. Charing. I will never say what it is.
Pakadamot.
Hindi sa damot, it's for privacy reasons. Woo!
Yes.
Basta this freaking Japanese restaurant is perfect for your dates. So parang, oh my God, kung may jowa lang ako, dito kami lagi. And I feel so well attended by the staff. Alam mo yung feeling ko nasa business class ako kasi parang, siya girl parang, alam mo yung kunwari naubos na yung laman ng plato mo. Girl, aalisin nila agad. Pero itatanong muna nila. Basta it was a great experience. First time ko din kasi doon, tsaka bago siya. And meron silang promo na parang good for 2 people, pero worth 1. Basta parang medyo may kamahalan, but basta it's worth it. It's a Japanese restaurant. It's amazing. I'll never say where it is or what it is right now. But yeah, that's my win. Ikaw ba, Pat? What is your small win or shit of the week?
Ako, I have a shit of the week. So dati yung aircon ko, nung Dali episode, umiiyak. Ngayon, hindi na siya bumubuga ng malamig na hangin. As in, nuknukan ng init. Parang akala mo, nasa lalakad ba ako sa EDSA? Ang init Ganon. It is so hot. I am sweating. Ganon. So, yun ang shit of the week ko. Kung may feelers dyan na gusto magbigay po sa akin ng aircon, tatanggapin ko po na buong-buo. This episode actually is we have a +1, and this +1 is actually a really, really, really close friend of mine. Our +1 is a compassionate BSNRN. Alongside her nursing career, she finds comfort and inspiration in music and crafts. Please welcome Catherine! As per tradition here in Feelings, we would like to ask, what is your small win or shit of the week?
Ito lang yan. I got COVID last week.
Oh my
It's either
God.
shit and small win. So parang, kasi second time ko na siya. So, I don't know. It's still bad. Kasi, my God, I have asthma. So it's not fun. But I got through it. And it's 5 days lang yung isolation ngayon compared before na 2 weeks. So, it's a small win.
Ang positive, kahit na shit na yung entry niya, positive pa din siya.
Positive
Kasi
pa din.
nag-positive siya sa COVID. Oh my God.
Sabi
I'm
ko,
sorry, Kat.
No, it's fine.
sabi ko nga okay na mag-positive sa COVID, wag lang sa pregnancy test. Uy.
Amen to that. I cannot.
Yes.
Mahilig kami sa traditions here on Feelings Explained. So as our latest, newest +1, meron kaming game for you. And this game is called
Tap in, tap out. Tap in and tap out.
So, madali lang naman to. Pipili ka lang. Pag tap in, yes, I'll do it. I'll go for it. Pag tap out, X, I won't.
Okay.
Decline. Ganon. Pero, nasa sayo na kung paano mo i-interpret yung choices. Kasi it's literally just A or B. Parang ganon. Gets? Okay. Kaya mo
Okay.
na yan. Alright, Kath. For the first tap in or tap out. Okay. BBC or white dude? Tap in or tap out?
Yung white guy tap in.
Amen. But I'm right. Gusto ko lang sumali. I'm BBC right now.
Oh.
Sumali sa sariling game. Okay. Next. Tap in or tap out? Trump or Biden?
Can you tap out both?
Hindi. Kailangan mahirapan ka.
Wait, sige. Lang. Oh my God, so controversial. Top in na lang kay Biden kasi I don't like Trump anyway.
Okay. Nice. Okay, ito. Top in or top out? Ulam na masarap pero walang kanin or no kanin at all? Sa kahit na anong kainin mo.
Ulam na masarap, walang kanin kasi rice is life.
Ayun ay top out. Top out ka doon.
Top out ako sa no rice ever.
Oh,
my God.
gets. Okay. Alright, next. Top in or top out? Sino dito? Fernando Poe Jr. or Rudy Fernandez?
FPJ top in.
Okay. Next. Kuyang hindi naligo ng 7 months or kuyang hindi nagpalit ng brief for 8 months? Top in or top out?
Top in na lang dun sa
Kadiri.
Kiri. Hindi nagpalit ng brief for 8 months kasi at least malinis yung katawan. Damit hindi.
Okay. Next. Top in or top out? Duterte or Bato?
Ba't ganyan kayo sa akin? Top out. Top in na lang ako kay Bato.
Okay. Nice. Okay, next. We have time para ba? Timothy Chalamet or Tom Holland? Top in or top out?
Tom Holland. Top in.
Okay. Magbayad ng tax or magbayad ng utang? Top in, top out?
Magbayad ng tax.
Top in.
Yun, top in.
Okay. Last two. We have time. Okay. Mag-drive sa Pilipinas or mag-drive sa LA?
Mag-drive sa Pilipinas. Ay, fuck. Mag-drive sa Pilipinas. Top in.
Okay. Last but not the least, 36-hour shift na straight or mas onting nursing staff sa floor?
36 hours of shift. Top in. Instead
Wow.
na mas maraming patient.
She
36
OTing
hours
girl.
tapos 36 hours tas one patient lang.
Oh my God. Grabe. Okay lang yun. Kaso critical. Charing, ang sama. Ano ba yan? Okay.
Grabe. Hindi mo na binigyan ng pahingat eh.
Oh,
Critical pa.
girl, sorry. Thank you for your service. Okay. Thank you, Kat. That is the wrap for our game. Let's get it on to the episode.
This show is brought to you by Pat and Gian's Blood, Sweat, and Tears.
Our episode for today is actually about the audacity of these people to motherfucking hurt us. Alam mo yon, yung tipong after you've processed everything, yung unang salta ng emotion na ay putang ina nito, pag gago ka pagtapos mong gawin sa akin to, ako gaganituhin mo, bitch. Yon, yung specific na moment sa buhay natin na yun. So, Kat, I want to ask, do you have that kind of experience?
At marami. Medyo marami. Parang may pattern. Sabi kasi nung iba na medyo ang bait ko daw kasi masyado to the point na di ko napapansin na sinasaktan na pala ako, ina-abuse na pala ako. Hindi ko alam. And tapos malalaman ko after like, shit, ang bait-bait ko tapos i-abuse mo ko? Fuck, no. That's not okay. So, I do have a lot. Parang mga 2 ex-boyfriends ko ganun.
Bitch.
Yung first ever boyfriend ko sa Amerika, he is Mexican Chinese. So, nung sinabi ko yun sa mom ko na, oh, I have a boyfriend na Mexican Chinese, parang na-alarm sila. Kasi, not to stereotype or anything, kasi ang Mexicans kasi merong parang reputation na mainitin ang ulo. You know, marami kang marinig sa news if ever you're here na yung mga asawa nila, binubugbog nila, kind of way, na yung mga Mexicans. Parang marami sa kanilang ganon. Tapos, so inisip ko, hindi, ano siya eh, pinalaki siya ng maayos ng magulang niya, you know. Dinidefend ko pa siya sa magulang ko, ganon. Tapos, sa whole relationship namin, hindi siya physically abusive, so hindi ko nakikita, but he was emotionally manipulative and abusive in other ways. Like, oh my God. Like, whenever we would fight, ako lagi yung magsasorry. Hindi ko napansin yun na ako pala yung kailangan mag-sorry. Na, ang tawag ito, hindi niya ako kakusapin pag hindi ako mag-sorry. Like that. And ako naman tong tanga, sorry, sorry, puro ako sorry. Basta wag lang siyang mawala sa life ko. Oh my God, it's so sad. Tapos,
Matagal kayo?
2+ years kung tiniis.
And then,
Puro,
Gosh.
I know.
nag-start when, I mean, within the 2 years, anong point in the relationship siya nag-start to be like emotionally manipulative and everything?
I should have seen it from the very start nung
Oh.
parang pag nagagalit, pag nag-away kami, hindi kami magkikita like for their date, for our planned date. Parang ganun. Parang pag nagagalit siya, ayoko makipagkita sa'yo. Ganun. Something like that. And hindi ko na, parang for me, because he was like, parang sabi ko, siguro ako talaga yung mali. So, ako yung mag-sorry. So, hindi ko napansin until like, one of our, one of Pat's best friends, told me na, oh, Kat, you're abused. Bakit nagsistay ka pa? 2 years later. So,
So, in the beginning pa lang, ano na siya?
Red
ganun
flag
Parang
talaga.
na.
red flag na
Controlling na
talaga.
siya. And then,
Okay.
tapos, lumala. Tapos parang for a long time, ino-overlook ko lang siya. Kasi, mahal ko eh. So, I was like, I would stay. And then, lumala siya kasi yung relationship namin during, nag-span over pandemic. So, for me, ang hirap lumabas. So, wala akong new friends or whatever. Siya lang talaga yung kinikita ko. Tapos, trabaho, siya, or bahay. So, nung parang nag-lighten up na yung pandemic, doon ako nag-start na, I wanna hang out with new people. So, um, as an introvert, wala akong other ways of like meeting new people. So, I met, like, may nakita akong post sa Reddit at one point na naghahanap sila ng bandmates or whatever because they wanna start a band. So, sumali
Ah.
ako doon. Doon ko na-meet yung new friends ko before. And sinabi ko yun sa kanya and grabe yung galit niya nung lumabas ako. Kasi I met up with them after like talking online for 2 months. Tapos I met up with them. Tapos sinabi ko sa kanya, at least honest naman ako. Sinabi ko sa kanya, nakikita ako kasi I want new friends. And gusto niya pag nag-meet kami ng yung bandmates na gusto niya send ko yung location ko, yung pictures, gusto niya pictures ng lahat. Ganon. I see Gian's face. And then, yun nga, nung pumunta ako, mahihain kasi ako. Sipin mo, first meeting, picturean ko lahat. Tapos, hindi ko na picturean lahat. Girl, galit na galit siya. As in, galit na galit siya. Tapos, nung next meet up namin, ng mga friends ko, nagawa ko naman, na-picturean ko naman, na-picturean ko naman sila or
Natawa
video.
ko,
Tapos,
attendance.
location ko lahat-lahat. Pero galit pa rin talaga siya. And na hindi ko daw sinasagot yung phone ko habang nandun ako nasa meet up. Parang, why? Hindi ako yung type ng tao na may meet up, may friends, tapos nasa phone. Tapos
Yeah.
gusto niya sagutin ko lahat. Tapos, galit na galit siya. Oh my God. Tapos yung sinagot ko, grabe. Nung sinagot ko, ang dami niyang sinabi. Yung mga, I forgot the words, pero yung tono ng pagsalita niya sa akin, grabe talaga yung galit. Tapos to the point na narinig ng tatay niya kasi katabi niya. Tapos yung tatay niya sabi niya, why are you talking to Kathy like that? You're not supposed to talk to her like that. She's a woman. You should respect her. Ganun, nagalit siya. Yung tatay, at least yung tatay.
Yung tatay niya tama siya. Ang laki ng sapak sa utak. My God!
Alam mo, kung ako yung friend nyo, sinakal na kita. Charing! Parang cut
I
off
swear.
ka lang. But I mean, only if I knew, diba? But
Oo.
yeah. Oo, manghihimasok ako. Charing.
Pero
Pero,
Kat, grabe.
oo.
Side note lang ha, yung mga buwisit na tao dyan, kung may feelers man kaming ganun, magbago na kayo, take advantage yung mga taong mababait. Mga showtang ina kayo, kaya hindi na solusyon ng pagiging mabait eh.
Hindi talaga, girl. Alam mo, magte-take away na ako sis. No amount of kindness will
I know.
heal you. Charing, or I mean like, it won't make your life better, TBH. Like,
No.
nah.
Pag umiiyak ako, sabi niya, alam mo yung pinipigilan niya ako umiyak, huwag ka umiyak, ganun. Kasi magmumukha siya yung masama.
Naisip niya pa yun? Oh my God, the audacity of this man. Shoot
Alam mo,
Audacity.
na-realize ko yun after the relationship. Sabi ko, holy shit, you're right. Parang, oo nga, no? Kasi every time, bawal ako dito, bawal ganito. Alam mo ba, hindi naman talaga ako uminom ng soda before. Pero yung small thing like na sa soda, bawal ako uminom. Kasi diabetic siya. So parang gusto niya in solidarity, hindi din ako mag-soda. So, for 2+ years, hindi ako nagsoda. Nagsoda lang ako on 4th of July. Kasi yun yung rule niya. 4th of July.
Tungina.
Pag holiday, naknang puta, hindi man lang sinama yung Pasko. Shoot ang ina mo.
Pati 5 de Mayo.
Pag ako sinabihan ako ng kaibigan, jowa, jowa na, hindi ka pwedeng kumain ng chicken in solidarity. Putang ina mo, maghiwalay tayo. Bago ko, hindi kita magpapalit talaga ako sa chicken. Diba?
Totoo yun, girl. I will never give up chicken for anybody. Like, fuck that.
Yeah, pero,
Oh my God. Unless
Grabe.
it's Bradley Cooper who will tell me.
Oo.
May exception. Guys, may exception pag Academy Award winner, ganun. Pero kung putyo-putyo ka lang naman ng Mexican Chinese, bro, ano ba, girl? Wag natin. Girl, si Reggie John Page lang yung kayang pigilan ako sa lahat. Ganon.
We.
Abstinence, okay lang. Oh, charing.
Oh my God, speaking of abstinence. Just,
Pina-abstain ka din ba, sis? Ano yun? Sorry.
Kasi,
Ano ka?
um,
Choppy ka.
kasi he's also, Anthony was also asexual. So parang sa 2 years namin,
Oh.
so we would have, we would have sex, tapos, mga once a month, tapos minsan, siya lang natatapos, ako, never.
Oh my God, ang lungkot eh.
Sis, question, ba't ka ba nag-boyfriend? Wala naman palang silbi. Sis, bakit?
Yun lang ang
Why are
silbi
you
ng
doing this
boyfriend,
to
guys.
yourself?
Yung silbi ng boyfriend, guys.
Mm.
Tapos, for yung bago mag-end yung relationship namin for like the last 6 months ata or 7 or 8 months, no sex at all. Walang sex. Ever.
Hala,
None.
sis,
I did
yayakapin kita dyan. Diyos ko.
So, hindi ka naghanap ng iba. Yun na pala yung topic. So, hindi ka naghanap ng iba. Tiniis mo ganon.
Si Ryan. Si Ryan after. Si Ryan right
Ah.
after. Kasi friend ko si Ryan dun sa band. Dun ko siya naging kaklose. Kasi
Oh,
mabait siya eh.
okay.
Sobrang
Mm-mm.
bait niya ng time na yun. Kasi hindi pa kami. Tapos,
Okay.
oh my God. Alam mo yung mga lalaki na pag bagong meet up ganun, tapos laging maayos, ganun, laging mabait, ganun. Tapos pag kayo na, wala nang effort, si Ryan
Okay.
yun.
Question, what made you attracted to them? Like, in the beginning. Parang ano yung nag-hook sa'yo na, okay, I will have a relationship with these people, sige, G.
Kasi mabait naman, honestly, mabait naman talaga kasi sila. Um, um, if, kasi ako yung type ng tao, ever since I was, parang years ago pa, na ako yung type ng tao na, I always try to see, like, the good in people, kahit na saktan ako. Kasi meron akong friend, siya yung first person na nag-point out sa akin nung nasa nursing school pa ako sa Pilipinas. Siya yung first ever, sabi niya, alam mo, ikaw yung tao na, kahit na sinaktan ka na, pero pag tinanong nila sa'yo, oh, kamusta naman tong si ganto, ikaw magsasabi lagi na, mabait naman siya eh. Ako yung type ng tao na gano'n na
You see
kahit
the
na,
good.
oo,
Yung about sa seeing the good in a person. Kasi, minsan talaga yun eh, ang laki niyang, ano ba tamang term? Parang ang laki niyang hila or kapit, especially kung if you feel like lonely or you just want to belong, ang laking hila talaga niya sa'yo na parang,
true.
ay, te, sige, alika, tas pagbibigyan kita. Gian, I don't know if you remember this, pero meron tayong recent conversation na ayaw mo na magbigay ng benefit of the doubt. Alam mo
Oh my
ngayon, sis,
God.
talaga parang ngayon, ayoko na rin
Mm.
minsan magbigay ng benefit of the doubt. Ako never
Yeah.
ako napasok katulad nung kay Kat na
Mm.
sa relationships. Kasi
Mm.
naman so far naman yung mga naging jowa ko naman, I mean, red flag yung iba, pero alam mo yun,
Mm.
hindi naman yung ganong tipo katulad na na-experience ni Kat.
Oo.
Pero ako siguro ang ma-relate ko sa ganon ay friendships.
Mhm.
Yung parang hindi ko
True.
napapansin na, ay, user pala to. Yun.
Hmm.
Yung parang,
Okay.
yung parang gagawin kang,
Mm.
yung parang ginawa ka na ngang sounding board. Tapos, literal walang pake sa'yo, kahit anong mangyari.
Yeah. Yeah.
Di,
Fuck.
diba? Tas kung
But I
ano,
mean, yeah.
di ba? At
Mm.
saka kung kailan lang sila may kailangan, tsaka sila lalapit na parang, ano ako, urinal? Ganon.
Mm. Mm.
Lalabasan lang
Mm.
ako ng hindi maganda. Tapos,
Oh
after nun,
God.
magkalimutan na tayo. Sana hindi mo na lang ako naibigan. Sana sinabi mo
Oo.
na lang sa
True.
akin na ang kailangan mo, therapist. Di ba?
Amen. 'Di
True,
ba?
yes.
Totoo.
Mm-hmm.
Ako guys,
Yun.
sa totoo lang, ang hindi, well, ako kasi I'm the police. Well, police. Pero parang, I'm very, very conscious pagdating sa friends. Actually, opposite ako nun yung dalawa. It's not that I don't want to see the good in people, pero I will see it when you show me. When you actually show me. It's not like, I'm gonna give you the yung parang, sige. Hindi. Parang for me, no. Show who you are. Game. And then, tingnan natin. Parang ganon, magdi-deliberation muna ako in my head. Ganon. Tsaka hindi rin ako, parang hindi ko ginagawang, sa akin lang to yung approach ko lang to the general public is that it doesn't matter if you're nice or you're kind, but show me who you really are. Yun lang. Just be
Mm-hmm.
honest and everything. Parang, yung bait, girl, gagawin ko sa bait mo, sis. Parang, hindi talaga. As in, actually, medyo mas na-turn off pa ako dun sa OA na mabait na parang, just to be nice, just to like,
Mm-hmm.
show the people that you're nice. I'm like, what am I gonna do with that? Like, nothing. I will not get, I mean, of course, you'll appreciate it in the beginning pag, pero parang, mas gusto ko nang ako na lang kaysa magplastikan tayo or alam mo yun, yung parang magpakatotoo na lang tayo, ganun. Kasi hindi rin naman, for me, parang it's such a waste of time na parang maganda pa, mabait ka lang sa simula, ganun, para lang to win you or what. So yeah, whether regardless of, yeah, actually, I'm attracted to bad people. Charing. Yung pala yun.
Bottom
Mas
line.
bottom line, vibe kami ng mga bad people. Char. But yeah, hindi sa akin, hindi mo ako, parang you won't win me because you're nice or kind.
Mm-hmm.
Parang, okay, girl, bye. Char.
True.
Be nice with others. I don't need it.
Pero alam mo, what stumps me over is, bakit ang reaction natin is like we let it go. Kasi ikaw, G, for sure, hindi mo, pag nakastrike ka sa akin talaga, wala na, goodbye, forever.
Goodbye.
Forever.
Almost, yeah. Oo.
Diba? But
Yeah.
why do you think we let it go? Ikaw, Kat.
Sorry,
Ay, sige, ikaw
question.
muna.
Let it go as in, let it pass?
Oo, parang, sige, next
Hayaan
time.
muna natin.
Oo, hayaan muna
Oo.
natin.
Feeling ko dahil, yun nga, yung parang nature sa atin to give chances. Lalo na if we feel like nice naman yung person or parang may napagsamahan or ano mo yun, parang in general, kung talagang mapagbigay kang tao, parang you would give naman talaga chances na hindi mo naman sila bibigyan ng ultimatum agad na parang ayoko na or what. Unless it's really like, it's a different kind of betrayal. Pero yung mga bagay na parang kaya pa naman, parang kaya ko pa naman sikmurain, whatever that is, 'di ba? Parang I don't know, maybe if it's a woman thing or it's I don't know, pero feeling ko yun, yung parang again, the benefit of the doubt. Na honestly, ngayon ko talaga nararamdaman na no, I'd rather not give it anymore. Parang ganun. Kayo ba?
True. I don't know. Wait. Kasi feeling ko din, kasi for me, ang haba kasi ng pasensya ko. I think in a relationship, ganun din ako. Kasi parang, oo, minsan may time nga na umiiyak ako with Anthony or with Brian. Pero kasi, um, sa buong 2 years namin, 2+ years namin ni Anthony, mabait naman kasi talaga siya. Like, he treats me with so much, parang, oo, abusive, manipulative ng emotions. Pero yung parang he will show his love for me. Like, paglulutuan niya ako, tapos maghuhugas siya ng dishes pagka ano, tapos kasama niya ako sa lahat ng family gatherings, pinapakilala niya ako, proud siya, ganun. Yung mga supportive siya. So, kaya ganun, kaya I was willing to let it go na minsan nga umiiyak tapos ako lagi nag-sorry. Kasi, in a way din naman, inaalagaan din naman niya ako. Parang ganun. So, kaya, yan, may problema. hindi, hindi ko din masyadong napansin before. So,
May na-realize lang ako, Kat, ha. Siguro
mm,
ako sa akin din, sa mga past relationships ko, na sometimes we tend to let things go because pinapakita nila yung bare minimum. Hindi, I mean, hindi ko siya nakuha sa ano ha, sa, sa explanation mo. Pero kasi parang,
mm,
like, sabi mo, di ba, parang being supportive. If yung jowa ko ay hindi supportive sa akin, bakit pa tayo naging magjowa? That's minimum ng pagiging jowa. Alam mo yun, parang hindi mo naman kailangan suportahan lahat ng iniisip ko at lahat ng sinasabi ko. Pero being being there for me is pretty much nakasama siya sa roles mo as my partner. So yun lang, bigla ko lang naisip na
you're
tayong
right.
mga babae, parang masyado tayong nasanay sa idea na we will give a pass to someone, especially to men, na okay lang nilang ganituhin tayo basta meron sila itong list of things na to na if we really think about it, it's bare minimum. Ngayon ko lang,
Oh my God.
Correct.
'di ba? Like
Yeah.
kunyari, 'di ba like kunyari sabihin natin, isang tatay na inaalagaan yung anak niya na may sakit, that's bare minimum. Dahil kailangan mong mag-alaga ng anak mong may sakit. Or
Mm-mm.
simply, parang kanina nga, being supportive of your girlfriend or your
Mhm.
boyfriend. Parang, mga
Yeah.
tea.
I get what you're saying, yeah.
Oh my God, the
Nasanay
realization.
tayo.
Mm.
Feeling ko talaga nasanay tayo, maybe as a society, not just as women, na parang pag binigay sa'yo yung konting-konting katiting na eme, alam mo yun, yung parang konting effort, parang you'll
Mm-mm.
be so happy na, and parang okay na yun sa'yo, at yun eh, dun tayo, anong tawag dun? Hindi budol, pero yung parang nasa-short change, na okay na, nabigay naman niya to eh. Oo, and I
Oo.
think with the kind of yung parang with Kath's case na parang mahaba yung pasensya, yung alam mo yun, yung parang you see the good talaga, parang nade-dismiss mo yung reality na of who this person is. Parang despite them literally showing who they really are. Siyempre, ang makikita mo lang is yung good kasi nga parang na-wired na yung brain natin to think na enough yung katiting na yun. Parang ganun. Yung parang, sige,
Oh
binigay
my
naman to
God.
sa akin eh. Ganon, Kat. Naku,
Oh
naku,
my God, the realization. Oh my
wag
God.
ka muna magjowa. Shoot ang ina.
Ayun. Hindi kasi, na-realize ko din, yung sinabi ni Pat yun na, oh my
Mm-mm.
God, bare minimum. Kasi right after Anthony, si Ryan kasi, when, siya yung type, kasi he grew up Christian. So, mabait na, um, parang bare minimum. Nung nilalamig ako, nalagyan niya akong jacket. Parang, tapos for me, wow, huge thing. Tapos, bubuksan ng, bubuksan yung, lagi akong pinagbubuksan na door, wow, huge thing. Parang, like, wow. Kaya siguro, iniisip ko lagi, oh, yung mabait naman si Ryan, kahit na, later on, doon niya pinakita siya naman, iba naman yung, ano niya, yung modus operandi ni Ryan. Kasi, si Anthony, from the start, pinakita niya na yung kulay niya. Pero si Ryan, later on na, um, yun nga, mabait nung una, um, pero later on lumalabas na yung lack of effort, yung um yung hindi na siya ganoon ka-sweet nung from the start of our relationship, yung end na parang nag-start ng lumabas. Tapos lagi niya akong ginagaslight kasi na-realize ko din yung past relationship niya ang reason bakit naging ganun siya. Kasi sabi ng family members niya, ng mga pinsan niya, na si Ryan kasi nung time na yun, mabait din. Mabait talaga siya. Tapos as in, gusto niya talaga ng commitment ng relationship. Pero yung nag-break sa kanya, yung previous relationships. Feeling ko, ano din yun, parang factor din yun ng mga tao na naging asshole sa current nila dahil din sa previous relationships nila.
Yeah, makes sense.
Yeah.
Question. So, ngayon, hindi ko alam kung masasagot natin siya, but na-curious lang ako if like, what do you think, parang paano ba? Parang ba tatanong? Parang, ano sa tingin niyo yung rason, paano sila nagkaroon ng audacity to do these things?
Fuck mo. Hindi ko alam.
Like,
Ako,
I'm honestly like, I don't know.
ako siguro, ano lang ito guessing lang.
Guessing game.
Guessing game. Siguro in my case, wait lang. Ayan, siguro in my case, dahil nga, ang bait ko din sa mga tao, like, parang sabi ko before, G, di ba? Sometimes I view the world with rose-colored glasses. Okay, yung parang, alam mo yung idea na parang, okay lang naman, sipat lang naman yan eh. Hindi, kasi pag-ibigyan niyo naman ako sa susunod eh. Yung ganon, na, na sobrang fucked up as a person, now that I think about it, na you're abusing this nice person, this good person because she's good. Fuck you, man. Like parang,
Oh my God.
tang-ina nyo. Tang-ina nyo. Bakit kayo ganyan?
Tangina niyo, guys.
Diba? Na parang, grabe naman, anong klase kang tao para abusuhin mo yung itong taong to na wala namang hinangad kung hindi, alam mo yon kabutihan mo. Ay, shoot ka, naging totoo sa'yo tapos biglang ikaw, ano lang, ginawa mong doormat. Takina, sana sinabi mo, punta tayo ng Home Depot, kailangan pa ng, doormat eh. Diba? God. Ay,
And
go, go, go.
totoo, sis. Alam mo, kapal. Putang ina. Naging ano yun, naging rant fest. Pero hindi, totoo din. Tsaka feeling ko coming from, just sa sinabi ni Kath kanina na coming from maybe the trauma from previous relationships. Pero feeling ko, it doesn't give you the fucking right to do that to another person. Parang why, to domino effect? Ano yun yung parang, yung game na pasahan? Girl, ano to? Parang, pass the message, ganon, pass the trauma. Bro, ano ba? Parang tanga.
It,
Parang huwag niyo ako isama, hindi naman ako contestant eh.
it
True.
does,
Diba,
yeah.
relationship natin, gagayahin mo sa past mo. I mean, gets ko, kasi alam mo, super gets ko yung fact na parang siguro ang hirap mag-recover doon and everything. Pero parang, why go into relationship nang hindi ka rin maayos, nang hindi ka healed? Tapos,
Yeah.
sinasaktan mo yung mga tao na ginawa mo or nilalandi mo, FYI. Ayun, sino ba yun? Not me.
It doesn't give them a right talaga. Kasi ako nga, I came from two traumatic relationships, pero hindi ko naman sila in-abuse. Alam mo yun, look at me, I'm a perfect example. Na hindi mo kailangan ipasa sa current relationship mo yung problema mo from the past. Kasi past na eh. Dapat, you know, you come into terms with what happened. Tapos, parang sa current relationship mo, you will try to be better. Like, wag mong gawin yun. Or, ay, shucks, yung previous relationship ko, sabi niya, I was abusive. So, why why not try to be a better person sa next relationship mo? I don't know. I don't know why they do it. Like, I don't know.
So, Kat, question,
Mm.
what made you end the relationship? Or ikaw ba nag-end? Kasi parang kumbaga, ano yung limit? Paano ka umabot doon sa parang, oh, I'm not gonna let this happen again, ganyan.
Yung kay Anthony, I broke it up. I broke things off. Kasi, um, I think it was the realization na I was not staying for him anymore. I was staying for his family um, na sobrang mahal ako nung time na yon. And yung, yung the fact na I can't even go out without parang kailangan ko magpaalam sa kanya sa magulang ko, mas madali pang magpaalam and knowing, no, Pat knows this, knowing my mom and dad, sobrang strict nila, mas mahirap pang magpaalam kay Anthony. Parang, ano ba, am I dating a father? Parang, alam mo yun. So, parang, I want, I want a chill boyfriend. Like, pwede akong lumabas na you will trust me na I will parang i-trust mo naman ako na I'm not gonna cheat, I'm not gonna like hindi ako maglalandi. I'm just there to have fun. Pero yun nga, I just wanna be I just wanna feel na they trust me. So that's why I ended it. Parang sabi ko, ayoko na, hindi ko na kaya. No,
So with Ryan, siya nakipag-break.
siya nakipag-break kasi apparently hindi daw na-realize niya after being in a relationship with me na ayaw niya muna ng commitment.
Tungin mo. Shootang na yun. Tingnan, wait lang ha.
Sige.
Ang fucked up pero ikaw, Gian, sabihan ka ni Reggie John Page na, Gian, na-realize ko na hindi pala ako ready dito sa relationship na to kasi hindi ako ready mag-commit. Bakit naging tayo?
7 months of being in a relationship. Parang, ang tagal ah.
Sis, alam ko na yung sagot dyan. Reggie Jan Page, ayaw mo mag-commit sa akin. Yon. Sis,
Oh,
sinabi mo na rin yan sa akin. Hindi sa ayaw ko ng commitment. Ayaw kong mag-commit sa'yo. Tang ina mo, Reggie.
Yes.
Charing! Eme!
God.
Sis talaga, alam mo, nabibilao ka na talaga si Reggae talaga. Gabi-gabi na lang natin siyang dinadamay, girl. Ako
Diyos ko.
talaga, Shonda Rhimes. Nako. Okay. Question, Cass. So, dahil ikaw na rin naman, ang galing mo doon, ha? Proud ako doon sa'yo, nakipag-break ka. That is a brave thing to do as a kind
Thanks.
person. Di ba? So,
Ang hirap. Promise.
for sure, for sure. So, kung babalik ka sa nakaraan, that maybe siguro may idea ka na of what an abusive relationship look like at pwede ka nang bumalik at i-undo or I don't know, maybe go back and change a little thing about what you did or yung approach mo. May babaguhin ka ba? Ano yon? What would you have done if you knew better?
At least see earlier kung ano yung tunay niyang kulay. Parang stop being too nice. Parang, kasi minsan parang sobra na yung pagkabait ko na hindi ko na nga nakikita. At least that one, at least babawasan ko. At least open my eyes some more kasi masyadong ata maliit yung mata ko. So, yun yung gagawin ko.
Babaguhin ko, sis. Bang option naman. I mean, siguro kasi yung kay Kat, di ba, parang, ang ganda na sinabi niya na parang uulitin niya, pero just to see kung ano talaga yung totoong ano niya. Siguro gagawin ko din pala yon ng konti. Siguro in a shorter span of time, tapos mag-iiba na ako ng option kasi parang I do not want to relive that trauma again. Na parang, ginamit mo na nga ako nung una, gagamitin mo ulit ako. Hindi na. Pero sige, titignan ko lang para lang ma-view ko na, eto ka, tangina mo, fuck you, ganun.
Bigla ko lang naisip, now I wonder yung mga tao. And no shame in going back to your exes. Like, I get it. I get it. Wow. As if may binalikan ako. Pero, wala lang. Parang naisip ko lang, parang ano kaya yung thought process nila na parang, ay, bumalik ako. Parang, di ba? Parang, ang naisip ko kasi lagi dyan, si Maha. Si Maha at si Rambo. Kasi di ba, kasal na sila ngayon. I remember yung love story. Gusto ko yung nakichismis ako, pero yung love story kasi nila is parang they were together for a time when they were younger and then ang tagal din nilang separated. I don't know if may people in between. I don't know what caused the breakup, whatever. But bumalik sila, which is, ang ganda kasi may happy ending or happy ending, quote unquote. But, di ba, parang yung iba, yon parang nagtataka lang ako how, and I don't think I'll ever have the answer kasi up until dumating ako sa point na ma-experience ko din yon. Pero 'di ba may mga tao na, sige, why not? I'll go back or either give chance or kasi hindi naman talaga nawala yung feelings, ganon. So, mahirap talaga pag feelings ang kalaban. So, kaya feelings explained na lang tayo. Diba? Hirap.
True.
Hirap. Pag feelings ang kalaban. Yeah.
Pero ikaw, G, if you were put in that kind of situation, would you, if you have the chance to like do it again, would you have done it differently?
Kath situation ba? Kung gano'n yung nangyari sa akin? Or
Yeah.
something like that? Knowing me, feeling ko, dalawa lang yan eh. Either I won't even give the person a chance to do that to me, or all out bobo ako. All out magtatanga-tangahan ako. And then, alam mo yun, kasi pwede yun eh. Parang, di ko alam eh. Pero, wait, question. Kasing bait din ba ako ni Kath?
Hindi, ganyan ka sis.
Ganito ako.
Ganyan
Ay,
ka,
naku,
oo.
knowing me.
Knowing
me.
you. Oo.
Knowing me, I will play you before you play me, girl.
Ah, you'll get revenge.
I don't think I will like fight back in the way na revenge, yung ganun. Kasi more of, parang feeling ko I'll just seek protection, refuge, wow. Parang ganun. Parang I won't, oo. Hindi ko alam kasi baka, alam mo yun, baka hindi naman talaga ito yung katotohanan pag dumating ako sa point if mangyayari siya sa akin. So, I could never tell, but, I don't know. I don't think I will I don't know. Oh my God. Nahirapan. Fuck. Feeling ko mabait din kasi talaga ako.
Mabait ka naman,
Feeling-
sis. Mabait ka
Oo.
naman.
Feeling ko pagdating sa mga minamahal, yung mga kamahal-mahalan, kahit hindi nila deserve, ibibigay ko talaga feeling ko. So baka my God, I'm gonna be inferior. I don't know. Feeling ko, sige, tapak-tapakan niyo ako, mag-heal na lang ako. Ganun. Baka ganun. Baka magpakamartir ako, sis. I don't know.
Pero, eto sorry, bigla ko lang naisip na question. Do you regret it, Kat? Yung relationships?
Wow. She a
I learned.
martyr.
No, I
Sorry, natawa ko na wow, she a martyr. Natawa ko, sorry.
Could never. Charing. Go, Kat, go.
already. And parang marami din akong natutunan. Like, next time, pag nangyari to, bye. Like that. You know what I mean? Pag nangyari yan, okay, first gaslight, bye.
Amen.
Amen.
Felt. Uy, pero gets kita, Kath. Kasi ganyan din ako. Remember during my face pat na parang, di ba pag tinatanong mo ako na parang, hindi agad. Girl, may pa ano-ano pa ako dun. No, kasi lesson learned. Ganyan-ganyan din ako. Yung parang, hindi, may nakuha ko. I'm better na. Ganong-ganong Pero, tama. Gets. Totoo yan. Totoo yan, though. No regrets. Wala eh. Minahal mo eh.
Strong girls, no?
So, yeah.
Grabe. I could never. Literally, I could never.
So you will regret it. You're the type who will fucking...
Sis, kung gaano ko
Ganon.
yung inis ko nga kay Tara at Erin, grade 1 pa yun.
Actually.
Grade 1 pa yun.
Amen.
'Di ba?
Hindi mo na let go.
Hindi ko na let go yun pa kaya.
Sis.
Siguro may
Okay.
lesson, pero hindi ako
Oo.
grateful na parang nakuha ko tong lesson na to.
Oo. I get that too. I get that. Yeah. Oo. Feeling ko pagka yun talagang pagod na pagod ka na mag-give din ng chance to others. Siguro kasi napaso ako very, very, napaso ako ako din naman yun. Parang hindi lang naman yung tao, parang hinayaan ko din. So, pero basta, ewan ko, tangina, nalito na tuloy ako. Basta yun, tangina nilang lahat.
Alam mo, wait lang, sorry, bigla ko naalala. Kasi 'di ba, familiar kayo sa Eternal Sunshine of the Spotless Mind na movie?
Yeah.
Okay. So, bale, sa mga taong hindi alam, feelers, if ever you haven't watched the movie Eternal Sunshine of the Spotless Mind, starring Jim Carrey and Kate Winslet, about nung 2004, as in it's a classic. So about siya kay Jim Carrey and kay Kate Winslet, na nalaman ni Jim Carrey na tinanggal ni Kate yung memories ni Jim Carrey nung sila pa. So, ganun din yung ginawa ni Jim Carrey. Tapos, habang tinatanggal yung memories, na-realize niya na, wait, ayokong mawala yung memories. Tapos, in the end, nawala naman din. Pero, nagkita rin sila. Anyway, na-realize ko lang din na, if you're avoiding the lesson and the confrontation, you'll never actually learn from it. Parang, if you don't experience the heartbreak, the disappointments, parang anong natutunan natin? Ang lungkot din ng life kasi wala kang baon.
Totoo yan. Oo. Wala kang depth.
Diba? My God, is therapy making me first session pa lang.
I'm telling you, girl, you won't, once you go therapy, you will never go back. Charing.
Yes.
Totoo yan, girl. Totoo. Tsaka parang ang boring. I mean, ako in fairness lahat ng pain, hindi sa gino-glorify natin ang pain, hindi. Pero parang part din talaga kasi siya ng pagtanda, yung parang pag mature, you learn so much from going through the darkness din eh. I mean, di naman sa dapat mahirap lagi, pero parang part siya, yung I mean, there are phases talaga that we go through na okay, shitty to, pero yun nga, what do you do next with for in Kath's case, yung relationship, ngayon sinabi niya, pag isang gaslight pa lang, X na. Bak, sana ganun talaga tayo.
True.
Sana ma-implement natin yan. Kasi,
Sana
I
hindi
mean,
lang salita.
totoo. Kasi minsan ako din, ginaganyan ko yung sarili ko, yung parang, Gian, I can see the fucking patterns sis. Lahat na lang ng lalaki ganito, ganyan. Mga ganon. Tapos, alam mo yung parang minsan, okay, nakapag-refresh tayo, restart, tapos, ganun, ayun pala Kat, FYI, hindi, for sure alam mo na to, pero parang, heads up, na parang minsan susubukan ka pa ulit. Yung parang, akala mo, I've learned the lesson, and then biglang bibigyan ka ng something, and then, dun mo palang mapapatunayan talaga if you really learned your lesson. And it's gonna be so interesting. And
Oh,
yeah, good luck.
Ibang mukha lang ang
thanks.
ibibigay ni universe no?
Totoo
Ibang
yan.
mukha
Sana mas,
lang yung quiz niya.
sana,
Tangina siya.
sana mas
Amen.
gwapo man lang or mas malaki. Joke lang.
Oo,
Uy,
pero
yes!
ganun din.
On to our final question, guys. Where do we go from here, Gian?
Hindi ako magjojowa ng Mexican Chinese. Huh? That's
Okay,
my
si
number
Ryan,
one lesson.
si Ryan Filipino, by the way. So,
Oh,
we don't know anymore.
definitely no Filipinos around my area, girl. Charing. I don't know. Wow, ang kapal. Yeah, we go down under. Charing. We want some people with the accent, char. Pero yon, number one talaga yon. No Pinoys, no Mexican Chinese. I'm going to Europe right now. Charing. Then, pero, ako talaga, I stand by what I have been practicing in my life. Ayoko na talaga magbigay ng benefit of the doubt. Dahil na rin sa, I mean, hindi naman sa you see the wrong lang in people or parang you become, anong tawag doon? Pessimistic or cynical. Hindi naman sa ganun lang. Pero more of like really protecting yourself then from harm. Especially emotionally, 'di ba? Parang hindi natin alam yung intention ng ibang tao. So, it's best na, again, not rush then into relationships, into friendships. Parang, before, yun nga, parang, ako naniniwala talaga ako na, once a person show who they are, you can't put a freaking filter and say na, oh my God, sparkling sila kasi ganito, ganyan. No, parang feeling ko talaga, it will do you more harm than good if palaging ganon. Parang if we always give the benefit of the doubt. Kasi ilang beses na ako napaso, not in relationships, but in life, parang life experiences na dahil binigyan ko ng chance tong mga hinayupak na parang, ay hindi pala dapat. Yun. Kasi nasa sa atin lang din naman yung parang who's deserving of our attention, ganyan. So parang, why waste my time with parang temporary people na hindi rin ako sure kung sino ba talaga sila. Parang if I even have a feeling na parang hindi. Hindi. Unless talagang gusto ko magpakatanga, go. And may face ako na ganun. Na parang, sige, go lang. Pero parang right now, at this point, parang I want to protect myself first than, let people in, as easily. So, yeah, I'm very careful. And that's where I'm going. Ikaw ba, Pat? Where do we go from here?
I will adapt what you said na hinay-hinay sa pagbibigay ng benefit of the doubt. Kasi hindi na tayo, kailangan natin matuto sa mga mistakes natin. Regardless if it's with a partner or a friend. hindi tayo ginawa ni Lord para maging doormat, maging sounding board, at maging emotional punching bag ng mga tao. Let us not settle for bare minimum. We know what we deserve, ladies, gents. We know what we deserve. At parang sabi nga nung campaign slogan, nung kampanya dito sa Pilipinas ng presidential elections, pag namulat ka na, minsan kasalanan na ang pumikit. Yarn. Okay. Ikaw, Kat, where do we go from here?
For me, I'm taking a break from relationship, honestly, and just like tawag ito, just focusing on myself really. Kasi I changed jobs recently. Parang I'm just really focusing on myself. I changed jobs. I've been doing a lot of hobbies na. Parang hobbies na yung iba parang nilet go ko before during relationships. I'm doing it right now and enjoying life, meeting new friends, and then like still looking. Parang I'm not giving up on love, of course, pero parang I'll just let it come. You know, I'm the right person. Hopefully will come na aalagaan ako na hindi ako sasaktan. Parang I mean, yeah, hindi ako sasaktan on purpose. You know what I mean? And I'll just wait. That's where I'm going. Just like focus on myself and enjoy life.
Magkapaalam na po kami. This has been Pat.
And this has been Gian.
Iiwanan po namin kayo ng katagang wag po tayo masyadong magpakatanga. Bye!
Bye. Thank you. Bye.